Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are talking about a super scary and emotional movie, Vash Level 2. This is the second part of the movie Vash, and this time the story goes even deeper and darker. So, sit back, relax, and let me tell you the full story of Vash Level 2 in simple. The movie starts many years after the first story. Atharva, the father, is living a peaceful life with his daughter Arya. You remember in part 1, he fought the black magician and saved her life. Now everything looks normal. They are happy, living quietly, and trying to forget the past. But something is not right. Sometimes, Arya acts strange. She stays quiet, looks lost, and gets scary dreams. Atharva feels that something dark is still inside her. Deep down, he knows that the evil didn't completely go away. It's still hiding somewhere, waiting for the right time to come back. Then suddenly, in a girls' school, something very strange happens. A few schoolgirls start acting weird. They scream, cry, and even jump off the terrace together, like someone is controlling their minds. Everyone gets shocked. Nobody knows what's going on. The police and teachers are confused. But when Atharva hears the news, he gets a bad feeling in his heart. He knows this is not normal. This is black magic again. The same kind of evil that once tried to destroy his family has returned. Now the villain of this story appears. His name is Rajnath. He is the younger brother of Pratap, the black magician from the first movie. Rajnath is even more dangerous. He doesn't use magic tricks. He uses hypnosis, a kind of mind control. He can make people do anything just by talking to them. Slowly, he starts controlling innocent girls, turning them into puppets. His eyes are scary, and his voice is powerful. He wants revenge for his brother and also wants to complete the dark ritual that was left unfinished. Atharva decides he cannot stay quiet anymore. He already faced this evil once, and now he will do it again to save his daughter and others. He goes to the school and finally meets Rajnath. The scene is full of tension. Rajnath looks at him and says, "Your daughter Arya never left our world. She still belongs to us." Atharva feels angry but stays calm. He makes a deal with Rajnath. He says, "Let my daughter and the girls go, and I will take you to your brother Pratap." Rajnath smiles and agrees, but inside, he is planning something very dangerous. As the story goes ahead, Atharva finds out a shocking truth. The reason Arya is still under the dark spell is something very small, just a 10 rupee debt. Years ago, Atharva had borrowed 10 rupees from Pratap and never returned it. That small unpaid money became a tiny link between Atharva and the evil. Through that link, the black magic could still control Arya. Crazy, right? Sometimes, even a small mistake can become a big curse. So Atharva decides to end this once and for all. He pays the debt and performs a small ritual to close the link forever. But Rajnath doesn't stop. He uses his powers to control all the girls at once. They start shouting and attacking everyone. It becomes a total mess. Atharva understands that Rajnath's hypnosis works through his voice. So, Atharva starts creating loud noise. He bangs metal, blows horns, and turns on alarms, so no one can hear Rajnath's voice. When his control starts breaking, Atharva jumps to fight him. This fight is full of emotion. A father fighting an evil magician just to save his daughter. No weapon, no power, only love and courage. In the end, Atharva defeats Rajnath and destroys his power forever. He even cuts off Rajnath's tongue, symbolically ending his ability to control anyone again. Finally, the spell breaks. All the girls wake up from the hypnosis. Arya opens her eyes and runs to hug her father. It's an emotional moment. Atharva has won again, but he looks tired and broken. He saved everyone, but the memories of this dark fight will never leave him. He looks up to the sky and says softly, "It's over, finally. The evil is gone, and life becomes peaceful again." But the movie ends with a mysterious sound, hinting that maybe, just maybe, a little bit of that darkness is still alive somewhere. And that's the full story of Vash Level 2. It's a mix of horror, emotion, and the love of a father for his daughter. The movie shows that no matter how powerful evil becomes, love and courage can always win in the end. So friends, how did you like the story? If you enjoyed this explanation, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Comment below and tell me, did you like Vash Level 2 more than the first part? I'll see you in the next video. Till then, stay safe, stay happy, and keep watching movies. Bye bye.